How you doing? I'm here to pick up a set of M3 calipers for Anthony.
Yep.
They're red. Yep.
Yes, sir.
How you doing?
You come to pick up?
Yep. Just waiting on the M3 calipers. They're Brembo red with the custom brake lines.
I wonder if is a whole box?
Should be them. Yeah, I think there's 4 of them, and then that looks like them. Yeah.
What's your name?
Anthony.
Okay.
Alright, everyone's on break.
Oh, okay.
Anthony.
What's going on, man?
Alright, same old shit, just trying to get some food, man.
Sorry, man.
No, it's all good.
Worst timing, huh?
No, man, it's all good. So we got the lines, check out that.
Alright.
Check out that quality, man. Those things are amazing.
This is nuts. This is what we were waiting for, huh?
That
Big
was-
hold up.
That's what we were waiting.
These are beautiful. Oh boy.
Yeah, you're not gonna have anything like that out there. This is like all straight custom stuff, so
Sick.
definitely worth the wait, I think.
Most definitely. Things that no one will see.
That
makes
that's the worst part.
makes a
But you'll
world of
know.
a difference. Oh yeah.
But you'll know.
Makes a world of a difference.
And then we got. I just checked one out, but yeah, they turned out great, man. That gold.
Oh.
Yeah, it turned out really good.
Oh my gosh. That's gonna tie in so nice with the wrap. Oh, you guys did a bang up job. Oh, this is amazing. It's so good.
Yeah, that's like a unique color. No one.
Bang
I'll
on.
get that again.
Bang on. This is exactly what I wanted and more. Beautiful. Sick.
Good. I'm
Thanks
glad
so
you're
much,
happy.
man.
Those are the reactions we like.
That is amazing.
Okay.
This is legit.
And all your hardware and stuff is in here as well.
Okay.
This looks like it's powder coated as well. I can't remember, to be honest, but it's such a long time. But just still, because these things rust very fast. I'm pretty sure we powder coated it, but.
Proper. Thank you.
And then the caps. You had, I think that's everything. Yeah, that's it.
These feel so good though.
Oh man, I have those on my car as well. They are amazing and make a big difference.
So clean.
You hit the pedal, or for you with the handbrake, it's literally right away you feel it. There's no like extra,
Sick.
play. It's just
sick.
brakes.
Yeah. I'm excited.
Good. Are you putting these on anytime soon, or? You said I know you're getting some other work done, right?
Yeah, it's just seeing when I get the car off the road right now. I had a motor for my truck I purchased,
Okay.
and they shut down the factory, so I'm waiting on the truck to get back so I can take the car off the road and.
Oh, okay. So you want one thing for the other.
Essentially.
Yeah, the usual.
Hopefully soon. Hopefully next couple weeks.
Yeah. When you get them, please.
Most
add us on
definitely.
Instagram to those
Most definitely.
Like this is a unique color. We never do like. Usually, someone just wants this color with the clear coat, not with like the flake and then the It doesn't usually happen that way because people are usually just one vision.
Yeah.
They don't see if I add sparkle or if I add a glow in the dark or if I add this or that or whatever. So
You didn't say nothing about glow in the dark.
Oh yeah. We have glow in the dark clear.
What?
Yeah, but you know what? Not gonna lie to you, it looks cool like in here, like when we fooling around with it in here, because we can just shut the lights off and see. But on a car,
it's not dark enough
because it's dark when it's at nighttime. But then how it's behind the wheel, it's interesting. I've done it a couple of times, but I'm not to say that it was like really like what remember when you were kids and you have that shit on your wall and the stars. It's not like that.
Okay.
But it does glow in the dark, but.
I hear
you. It hit and miss on that one, right? So.
Oh yeah, no, that's perfect. Like, I don't think I've seen one like that.
No, it's been here for a while, right? So every time people come in, they're like, "What's that?" And I'm like, "Oh, it's like for another customer." He's like, "But they want to check it out because like you can even through the bag you can still see the flake, right?"
Yeah, definitely right away.
Yeah,
right away.
Yeah, right away. So it's definitely a showpiece.
Most definitely.
Most
definitely. I'm gonna have to get some good pads now. Make sure we don't have a bunch of brake dust all over this.
Yeah. Try to get anything ceramic. Yeah. If you want, I can get you the Akibonos.
Akibonos. My buddy was just asking about ceramics versus the I forget what you call the other ones.
The semi-metallic. Yeah.
Yeah.
The reason why ceramics are better is because less dust, it's easier to wash off when it actually makes dust because it's not like sticking to your caliper.
Okay.
Right, and it lasts longer.
All right.
So.
And what did you call them? The Makimonos?
Akibono.
Akibono.
Actually, you know what?
Makimono's that place in Pickering. That all-you-can-eat sushi place.
Yeah. I'm ready here for you.
All right, sweet. I'll do some research on them.
I can get them. I have them on my S4 as well. There.
And those are pads?
Yeah.
Okay,
Well, they make
'cause I got-
everything. They make pads, rotors. They make calipers as well, but.
Because I got a set of pads and rotors, so we'll see what those are. I'm not sure exactly what they are. They're rusty, I know that much.
Oh, okay.
But
they're on the car right now?
No, they I purchased them from someone.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
okay.
they're like I think they're a 2-piece rotors or something like that. Yeah.
Like a stop tech or something.
It's I'm not quite a stop. I forget. They came off of. I forget honestly now. So many parts running through my mind.
You parts all over the place, man. Your emails and texts.
I'm running out of space in my apartment, guy. It's nuts.
You need to get the parts on the car.
Yeah. So no, this is good. This has been a highlight because I've been waiting for all sorts of shit, right?
Oh, okay.
And so this is
when they
proper.
come in, man, they come in all at the same time.
This is what sucks. My bank account's just like, oh yeah, it's nice, and it's like, like jumped off a cliff.
Yeah. Time to pay.
I knew it was coming though. I knew it was coming.
Like,
so
I was like killing this guy about these. I'm like, any news, man? Because it's like the calipers were done like 2 months ago, or whatever.
Yeah.
And he's waiting on some special fittings from the BMW. I don't know exactly what, but it came in on Friday. He built them and he picked them up one time. So
sick. All right.
Yeah. Good. It's gonna like on the car before you actually drive it. It's gonna look wicked. Like just up on the hoist, whatever. Like with the lines and the calipers, it's gonna look pretty good.
Yeah, no, I'm documenting everything.
Oh, okay. Nice,
so
nice.
It's I just got to get the channel together. I'm gonna start dumping stuff out, hopefully weekly.
Okay. Yeah. As the build happens.
Yeah. So there's little things, but nothing crazy yet. But yeah, it should start to pick up steam.
Nice. Well, like I said, keep us posted on how the
Most
build is
definitely
going,
will.
And, definitely like.
What was the damage?
1135. 1130 is fine.
1, 2, 3. You know what? I only got 11 here.
11 is fine.
Can we do 11?
Yeah, it's fine.
I appreciate it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect right there.
Thank you.
Jeremiah
will help you bring it up to the car.
All right. Thank you very much.
We'll talk soon, man.
Most definitely.
Anything else you need, let me know.
Oh, I'm sure I'll be sending some people your way. So
appreciate it, man.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it, man.
Thank you for coming by.
All right. I'll let you go first. Grab that door for me. All right, bro. Take care.
All right, man. Take care, Anthony.
Might as well just throw them in the front seat because they'll roll around in the back probably. You just start working here?
No, I've been here for 3 years now.
Oh, okay. No, not that I come often or not. I just.
I'm always in the back.
Okay. Yeah, just throw them right there. Proper. Thanks so much, man.
Welcome.
Appreciate it.
All
right. Take care.
You too.
Oh my gosh. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, I am a happy man. Can you say M? Oh.